Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize using Puppet RBAC for infrastructure management, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring Puppet is installed and properly configured on your system. Open your Puppet server terminal. Navigate to the Puppet configuration directory. Locate and open the puppet.conf file. In this file, check for the section labeled Master. If it's not present, create it. Under the Master section, enable the RBAC feature by adding use_RBAC equals true. Save and exit the file. Next, configure the RBAC policies in the appropriate directory. Navigate to the auth.conf file within the Puppet configuration directory. This file typically resides in /etc/puppetlabs/puppet/auth.conf. Open the auth.conf file for editing. Define roles by specifying permissions for users and groups. Start by listing a role with the necessary privileges. For example, to grant a user access to specific resources, use a syntax prefixing allow or deny. After defining roles, assign these roles to users or groups. Ensure each user entry contains the role they will inherit. Continue defining additional roles as needed for your infrastructure management. Now, proceed to test your configuration. Use the Puppet command line to authenticate and ensure the RBAC settings are applied correctly. Run basic Puppet commands to verify if the permissions are functioning as expected. If issues arise, return to the auth.conf and review your role specifications. Iterate on your settings until the desired access control is achieved. Commit your changes and restart the Puppet server for the new configurations to take effect. Finally, conduct a thorough audit of the user roles and permissions periodically. This ensures your infrastructure remains secure and complies with organizational policies. Remember to update your RBAC settings as your team and requirements evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.